Environmental engineering for me is about improving people's lives with innovative solutions that also protect biodiversity. Solutions that can both produce energy and have a positive impact on the environment. My name is Oriane and I've been working as an environmental engineer at Tractebel for 3 years now. I'm currently working on a multi-purpose dam project in Ghana that will not only bring electricity to one of the most underdeveloped parts of the country, but also boost agricultural production with a 20,000 hectares irrigation area. Importantly, the dam will mitigate floods that affect thousands of people every year. Tractebel's role is to propose strategies to build the dam in ways that protect the environment and the region's rich biodiversity. It's an incredible project that's decades in the making. Before joining Tractebel, I worked for an aid agency where I sometimes felt too far from fieldwork. With Tractebel, I'm part of multidimensional projects that I know make a positive impact. It's a source of motivation for me. Working in developing countries has also made me more aware of the privileges we have in Europe, and I believe this awareness has made me a better engineer. Although I'm an agronomist by training, I've gained expertise far outside this discipline with Tractebel. Today, I have references and technical skills in energy that I never would have imagined I'd have before. This is because I've been exposed to diverse projects and especially diverse people. Tractebel teams are purposely designed with engineers and experts with all sorts of technical backgrounds. This way, you're constantly learning and growing. Together, as one team, we're building a more sustainable world.